Everyone, it's me, Lovable Girl. Guys, I am going to cook a pancit. Use this one or this spoon. Guys, I do cook pancit and this is the vegetables. I make it overload of vegetables because we really need a vegetable. I think this one is 1/4. 200 grams. We will fry now the wait, something. This is how Lovable Girl make it. We will make vegetables a lot than. So this one is kikiam. We need to fry it with this we will make only a little, guys, because if a lot cannot finish eating. I So we need this lot of oil. So I can have this. This is the vegetables. Need to put here. So this is it. Yes. So salt. This is salt. And let's use this one. Vitsin. Can use this. Can we will check after that, no? So wait. You know, this is what happened now. Cooking now. Guys, I don't really know. I don't. So guys, this is it now. After so many very full guys, very full. So we will make this a very tasty pancit, like a Chinese pancit. So wait. So of course this one guys, we need to transfer here. So this is the okay. Well, it's burned already down here. So okay. So as you can see, that one. So it's look very nice. And another cook for the egg. We will make here. Let's design our foods. We will make this one. This is how to occupy this is oh, very strong fire. So that's it. Let's work together too. So this one, okay, and let's slice here. So guys, this is it, and this is the egg. We will go topping here. Ay bilay. Okay, it's hard for me to use this spoon, so I need my hands. So this is it. Ay, this is the toppings. If you like to, your family can eat a beautiful foods. That's the toppings guys. And then wait. So guys, I already make that one. So that's not finished. This is not yet. Happy peanut. And let's take it. Yeah. So that our visitor will happy. Well, so let's do the reaction later of how they make happy, appreciated the foods. No, so okay, how much I done? 1, 2 guys, because I need to test. I have a beautiful yummy pancit. So we will do again the other foods for our pastora. Wait, our visitor, so need to make for her. Need to make for her. I will clean the floor tomorrow. And yeah. Oh, so this is the radish. I love white. Look at how I use it this you can use also your this one for fill off the ay. So I will show you after the product. Hi guys, so I did not show how to cut it, but it's here already. So what we are going to do is put salt, vinegar, wait lang. So we will, if you feel that is so much, it's you need to less make less. Wait lang. This is the salt and this is the sugar. We will put the sugar, guys. So we can mix it. This one is very tasty. Look at this. We will. So this is the salad. The water later is going out through the we will put some garlic so it's more tasty, guys. Wow, very yummy. Wow. So the dried fish is not removed. Oh yeah, tag-isa-isa lang yan, guys. Mama mo na.
Perfect ang bihon mo dyan. Perfect. Wow.
Happy
Birthday to birthday.
Happy birthday, Pastora. We're done. Yun, we are done our dinner. Thank you very much for watching. We are all full. We are all full. So thank you everyone for watching. God bless. Bye bye.